Antra, that's where I want you to come in. Do you still feel consumers heavily prioritize the legacy names and brands? And what exactly do new real estate comers now do? Like, for example, you find it tough to compete with legacy brands, the scale at which that they're operating. So even though your product might be better. So what are the marketing strategies that you think a real estate sector needs to look at to ensure that people now start looking beyond just legacy names and actually look at the quality that's on offer?
I think what matters is because someone is making that kind of an investment, which is really high in terms of financially and emotionally. Buyers have become very careful, educated, aware, agile about the kind of brand today they are investing in, right? If we go back a decade or two, there were developers who promised a lot, but overnight, they went bankrupt for whatever reason. The promises were huge. Anyways, money got stuck of the customers, and they waited for years. And finally, some got their deliveries, some didn't. So the customer wants to go definitely with a brand which is known for timely deliveries, who has their financial planning in place, and who has a very positive, reputation in the market. When you talk about marketing, you have to ensure today especially that throughout the customer journey life cycle, you are keeping the customer engaged, because that is what is going to help build your reputation. You have to keep updated. You have to keep the customer updated about what's going on, the deliveries, the timelines. Even if there are delays, the communication has to be continuous, and that there are many ways to do it digitally. For sure, there is so much innovation that's happening. Constant communication can happen. Also, real estate as a sector is very aggressive, when it comes to marketing. So we make promises of ROIs, which are they look very good on paper, but they are impossible in the long term. So as a brand, we need to, being in real estate, we know who we are talking about, but like Alpha Corp, we steer clear of these promises if we are not able to deliver. We are very clear in what we give. We are of course 21 years into the industry, so we are known to deliver marquee projects across cities. And in times like today, we use walkthroughs, digital tours, and a lot of technology to have that continuous engagement and to keep that integrity that we promise. So yeah.